So you've probably seen those stunningly realistic AI conversations created by Google's NotebookLM. They're so good, people are publishing them as podcasts. It's pretty wild.
Wait a minute. My viewers do not want to know about podcasts or even Google LM. My viewers watch my videos to learn how to make money yesterday. They want a push button and 100% done for you. They just want to sit back, relax, enjoy their time in a beautiful sea beach with their families while money keeps pouring from the sky and directly go to their bank account. And a brand new Lamborghini waits for them outside the beach so they can drive back to their home. Jokes aside, I know you are here for money, but before you actually make money, you need to know the basics. And the basics is, this is you, frustrated with your 9-to-5 day job. You, my friend, want to make money, but you don't have it. So, where is the money? And how this money will come to your pocket? Money belongs to other rich people. In your mind, they are rich and they are happy. They sit on their money couch and they dance all day long. Okay, but remember, these rich people have desires. And you, my friend, own those desires. When you give them what they want, they will give you what you want, which is money. That's how money goes from one pocket to another pocket. There is always a buy and sell. So here is a message for everyone who wants everything for free, like cheap brokies. I get these DMs every day. Mosh, is your course free? You said your software free. Can I get it for free? Well, my friend, my content is free. And I make my content in a way, not only it conveys the whole message completely free, and anyone can follow step by step and actually make money, but also it shares the depth of my knowledge. My content represents myself, my ability to teach, convey the right message to the right people who need it and who want to invest in it. Why am I talking about all this? Because podcast is pure money. Podcast gets you to these rich people who are ready to buy from you. And the best of the best part right now, you do not need to show your face in podcast or any other type of media in order to make money. If this sounds good, watch this video to the end, and inshallah you will have a clear path on how to make money. Before we move forward, wait a minute. Are you telling me that you haven't smashed the like button yet? Really? Come on. This is the best time to like this video. Smash the like button and share with your friends and family. This is a great video. There are lots of educational and valuable information in this video. And the algorithm will show this video to more and more people. And more people will get benefited from this. You see, we make these videos to help you learn and take an educated decision about what you should do in order to change and upgrade your financial condition. By just liking and sharing, you're helping others as well. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. We have a goal of having 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and we cannot do it without your help. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and let's go and get to the juicy part. Let me show you the money. Now I'm on a platform called Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI platform like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, DeepSeek, but it's used for research. I asked Perplexity, is it true that podcast attracts buyers, customers, investors, and serious people? Any proof? And I switched on deep research. So it goes deep into the internet and search as many sources, as many websites, as many references as possible to bring me the right information that I'm looking for. Did you see? To answer this question, Perplexity researched on 34 sources. If I would do myself, that would take 78 minutes minimum, right? But this was done in a matter of seconds. Now look at the crazy data I have got. 60% of podcast listeners consider buying products or services mentioned in the episodes, compared to 34% for TV ads and 28% for radio ads. Brand recall is 1.5 times higher for podcast advertised products versus traditional media due to the brain's enhanced audio processing during solitary listening. 75% of listeners trust podcast hosts as much as personal friends, creating parasocial relationships that drive repeat purchases. Trust is the most important element for selling high-priced products. In our 99% Done For You program, we teach a system to our students, and it's called rant. Our students follow this rant method. Alhamdulillah, one of our students, Ilham Vakil, made $500 commissions day before yesterday. She lives in the UK, she's a busy mom, and she has an 8 to 5 day job. Extremely busy, and she doesn't have any time to do anything extra. But she joined our 99% Done For You program, and she already earned multiple commissions like this. And here is another one. Now, tons of our students made money, but this doesn't mean that our program is a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, these results are not typical. They joined the program, we did 99% of the work for them, basically 100% of the technical work, but they did their part, which means spending at least 45 minutes to 90 minutes per day on ranting. Now, each letter means something. T stands for trust. When the trust is built, it's easy to sell high-value desired products or services to potential buyers and earn high commissions like $500, $1,000 commissions. So when 75% of the listeners trust podcast hosts as much as personal friends, you can measure the potential of how much money it's possible to make using podcasts. Podcasts attract institutional investors, venture capitalists, high-value professionals. 94% of podcast listening occurs alone, often via headphones, creating neural bonding with hosts. Now you're completely fed up. Mosh, how can I do podcast without showing face? I know now you're completely frustrated. Mosh, I don't want to talk. I don't want to show my face on the camera. How can I take advantage of podcasts without showing face or speaking on the camera? That's why I was talking about this video. That's what this whole video is all about. So keep watching. By the way, I noticed you didn't like the video yet. What's your motivation for not liking a video where I am literally giving away my time, my work, research, expertise for free? Come on, go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. They will thank you for sharing this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, may I know why? Come on, subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell button so you get notified next time we upload a new video. And also, you will help us get 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month. We will appreciate your support. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel. Oh, by the way, in case you're curious about this 99% Done For You program that I was talking about, there is a training link in the description below this video. It will ask you for your email. After you put your correct email, it will take you to this training website. Watch this full training, starting from start to the end. This training has 2 parts. First part will educate you about how to make money with AI and digital marketing. And the second part will show you step by step what's inside in our program. And if you think you have questions, feel free to ask any question to this AI chat agent. It's trained to answer like me. And if you still have questions, you want to speak to me one-on-one, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Or use Facebook Messenger. This video is free to watch. You do not need to pay to watch this video. You will learn for free how AI-powered digital marketing works, how our 99% Done For You system works. Go ahead, link is in the description. Go watch this training. Then ask me questions. I'll be happy to answer. Okay, back to making money with podcasts. Now, this video is an extremely interesting one. First off, let me point out a couple of weird things. This channel has only 3,600 subscribers. A channel of this size is talking about AI podcast creator and NotebookLM. At first, it didn't make any sense to me because these 2 keywords don't have any money component. Apparently, this title does not attract buyers. So my question was, how this video creator is going to make money with this video? Then when I started, I saw his face on the camera. I thought, okay, why did he spend 30 minutes showing his face on the camera, took all this hassle to create a boring video like this that doesn't even attract any buyers? My mind changed completely when I noticed this one number. Despite of less than 4,000 subscribers, this video was viewed by 27,000 people, which means people outside his subscriber base also found this video useful. They watched it, and YouTube pushed the video to more and more people, and they all all watched this video. I got curious and I started watching the rest of the video. And guess what? This man was only in the beginning of the video. And I'm not even sure it is his real face or not. Maybe it's an AI face. But after these few minutes of the video, he completely disappeared. And the whole video is completely faceless. It shows his desktop and there is a voiceover describing what's going on the computer. And it does two things. It shows that NotebookLM, which is a free solution for podcast creation, is not even close to the best thing as a podcast. Then he shared another software that does a better job and create a realistic podcasts. And after sharing this faceless technical video, he shared his affiliate link of that platform in the description. And this is how the software looks like. However, don't go there right now because I found even this is not the best of the best solution. Even this is not the most economic solution. The most economic solution is the best of the best voiceover application on the planet. It's called 11 Labs. Okay, I will drop my affiliate link to 11 Labs in the description. You can get it from there. And this is the most affordable. It gives you more credit for lower price, better options, better quality. Let's recap what we learned so far. Number one, traffic has no relationship with the number of subscribers and number of followers. You can get a lot of traffic if your topic is right and your content quality is high. And they have to attract buyers. Quality has nothing to do with showing face on the camera. This video literally doesn't show face for 95% of the time. It's a boring topic, but it attracts buyers. It shows that the free solution is not good, the paid solution is really good. And due to the quality of the video, I mean faceless video, it got tons of views and traffic from YouTube. And the affiliate link is exposed to this traffic without showing face, without having a lot of followers, with a boring topic, but it's buyer stop. Are you getting a little excited now? You literally don't need to show face in order to make money. Okay, so we need content for buyers. Faceless is okay. We already learned this. And now we want to know how we can create our own podcast with a better and cheaper tool, even a better tool that's shown in this video. Let's go. Step number one, go to 11 Labs. On the dashboard, choose Create Podcast. And here you need to upload a content file. It can be PDF, text, or HTML. I'm going to go and use this video of mine. People seem to like it. So I'm going to show transcript because I don't write scripts before shooting videos. So I have to use the transcript. Select the whole thing, Control C, and export the text as PDF and upload the PDF here. Then I will choose conversation, choose the host voice as my voice, and the guest voice, I'll keep it Jessica, and I'll keep everything default, and I'll leave everything as is. Click generate and see what happens. I'm excited. It is an 11 minutes long video. So let's see how a video transcript turns into a conversational podcast. 50% done in less than a minute, 70% in less than 2 minutes, 80% within 2.5 minutes. And guess what? It's ready. When I click on one paragraph, that's the host. When I click on another one, that's the guest. And we can listen to it, right? Making $1 million from coding skills sounds incredible, right? But here's the twist. You actually don't need any coding experience to replicate this fascinating business model I recently discovered. That sounds 95% like me. Wow. Now let's listen to Jessica.
That's such an unexpected angle. How does someone without technical skills make this work?
And if you don't like it, you can simply change anything. Like instead of coding, I can say programming. Well, it all comes down to this developer who made $700,000 in 5 years. But here's the brilliant part. He created what he calls the BRAG method that anyone can use, regardless of their background. The key insight is that it's not about the coding. It's about packaging expertise. Wow.
So what exactly does BRAG stand for? I'm guessing it's more than just bragging about success.
You know what's fascinating? The B stands for build fast. But here's where people get it wrong. You're not building code, you're building authority. This guy built a YouTube channel with 73,000 subscribers, but someone else might build expertise in accounting, teaching, or really any specialized knowledge. And when you are happy, just click convert on the top right corner There also you can choose convert project or convert just a chapter. I'm going to convert the project, name it chapter 1, and boom, convert all. We use AI and we learn new skills fast. Then we use our newly learned skill and knowledge. We make short videos. Then we upload those videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as short videos. And because these guys are in a war to get attention through short videos, they sent us a lot of traffic to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. These automated sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 to $1,000 in sales revenue or sometimes sales commission. This process helps us focus on only one thing. Use simple short videos from 30 seconds to 1 minute long and get all the traffic we want. You can see this account, this $471,615 was made using exactly this method. Even the beginner members of our program are doing it. You can see these commissions. 95% of these people who earned high ticket affiliate commissions joined our program as a complete beginner. If you think this is something that you want to learn more about, there is a link in the description. Go check that link. It will take you to a complete training where we explain you step by step what we do and how we help beginners to get this kind of results. And at the end, we will tell you about our program. The video is completely free to watch. Go ahead, watch the video, and we will see you inside. If you have questions after watching the video, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.